Showed update, day one, the restoration. We got the strobe light off. We got the top panel off. We removed some of the decals, removed the headlights. We got the door off. And we're gonna strip some of that rust out and try to paint the cab. And to make it a little bit easier, we move the bolts so we can lift it. Need two hands to do this. We're gonna lift the cab up. There we go. And that's locked in. Alright. So we got the cab up. These side panels are okay. Need to figure out how to get the glass out. But this thing was basically stored outside, and even though we only have about 1,500 hours on it, which is about, I don't know, it's like a car having 25, 30,000 miles on it. Still in really good shape. Built up a lot of rust on the roof. And tomorrow we'll get that heated up and do a quick oil change. It's the oil filter. Should be the drain valve somewhere here. Here we go. That's the drain valve for the oil filter. It's the diesel filter right here. Swap that out. Separates the water out. We got it's the primer. Change out the hydraulic oil filter as well. And in here, air filters. We'll open that up tomorrow. Should be 2 air filters, one outer and one inner. We'll replace both those air filters as well. So it's the quick update. Day one, the service and some quick restoration on the top.